We're here in Chicago with Aunt Nellie's Pickled Beets to find out what people really think about beets.
The first time I've had a beet is my mom. She makes it in soup.
I've been eating beets since I was a little kid.
And I remember thinking that it tastes kind of like a weird carrot.
And it's just really sweet, so I like that sweet taste.
I like beets.
I typically don't like beets.
I think I would call myself a beet hater.
Yeah, I love beets. I like them in salads. I put them in all my salads.
I think I like beets as part of a whole when it's in a salad with a lot of other ingredients.
I typically like to eat beets right out of the jar, standing over the sink.
I think they're pretty awesome. I never was a big beet fan, and definitely once I came across the pickled beets, it was something that I eat pretty much on a daily.
I can take them or leave them, actually.
I think beets are a highly underused ingredient. Well, I think I love them because I was really freaked out by them before because they're like really red and they're kind of like strange vegetables. So when I tried them, like they were sweet and I like the texture of them.
I love beets. They're one of my favorite things to eat.